In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Telegram in Amazon Fire TV Stick step by step, so you can access your chats and channels directly from your TV. First, make sure you're on the Fire TV home screen. Go to the search icon, open the search bar, and type Downloader. Select the Downloader app from the results, click Get or Download, and wait for it to install. Once it's installed, don't open it yet. Now go back to the home screen and open Settings. Scroll to My Fire TV and select About. Highlight Fire TV Stick and press the select button on your remote 7 times until you see a message confirming that developer options are enabled. Go back, open developer options, turn on ADB debugging, and then open Install Unknown Apps. Find Downloader in the list and allow it so it can install apps from outside the store. After that, return to the home screen and open the Downloader app. When it opens, select the URL bar to bring up the keyboard. Using the Downloader browser, go directly to the Telegram download link provided and press Go. Wait for the APK file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, the installation screen will appear automatically. Select Install and give it a few seconds. When it's done, click Done. You can also choose to delete the installation file to free up space, which is always a good idea. Now press the Apps button on your Fire TV remote and scroll down to find Telegram. Open it, and to navigate properly inside the app, you'll need a mouse app or mouse toggle for Fire TV. Once that's set, start Telegram, enter your phone number, and confirm the login using the code sent to your phone. After that, you'll have full access to your chats and channels right on your Fire TV stick. Before you start using Telegram regularly on your Fire TV, keep in mind that protecting your privacy is important, especially when sideloading apps. That's why I recommend using NordVPN. It works great on Fire TV Stick, keeps your connection secure, and adds an extra layer of privacy while you're online. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN.